Alright, so I got another big request to do simplifying fractions using division. So, in one of the other videos that I made, we talked about doing, in terms of fractions, if I wanted to simplify this fraction out, okay, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to try different multiples to help make it smaller. Okay, and the larger the multiple, the smaller I can make, the faster I go. If I go, for example, it's easier to just kind of show you. If I divided by, like, I know that 4 goes into 4 and I know that 4 goes into 8. So if I do divided by 4 and then divided by 4, I know that this is going to reduce down to 1 over 2, or half, right? Now, what I was talking about by using the greatest common multiple is it simplifies the process. It makes it where I only have to do it one time. If I use other common multiples, like, for example, 4 over 8, I know that I can also divide that by 2, right? So if I took and divided by 2, is that going to give me my fraction in the simplest forms? 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. But I can still divide those by 2 again. That's not in its lowest form, right? So then again, I would have to divide it by 2 again, and divide it by 2 again, and in this case, I would get my 1/2, right? Now, I simplified that process by using the greatest common multiple in both of those, and was able to reduce it immediately. Okay, so it's not always going to be done by 2. Okay, now what if I wanted to take like 5/8 and reduce it? Okay, well, there's not a common multiple that is shared by both of these digits. Okay, so I can't take and divide 5 by 2. That's not really going to work. I mean, I can, and it would still give me 2.5 over 8, but that's not really what we're trying to shoot for, right? We're trying to keep these numbers whole numbers without using any decimals or anything like that. So this is simplifying fractions using division and basically greatest common multiple. Okay? Check it out, see what you think.